Lifted 1999 Econoline, 1987 Econoline, 4-wheel drive. This is on a Well-Tech lift right here. He's making a video too. So we got Well-Tech here. We got Action Van right here. And then here's Sebastian's van with the fresh lift. Another Action Van suspension here. Got a decal right here. Right there, Action Van. And then Well-Tech right here. So what do we have here? We have Well-Tech, Action Van, Well-Tech. Is that Jose PhD right there? That's Jose PhD's ride right there, is New Colorado. There's my van, and there's Anyaz's van. You know what the kids at home like? The lift kit talk. So let's check out your lift kit. What do you got here?
That's the 5-inch Baja grocery getter kit from Well-Tech.
And then
2012 Ford Econoline, 5.4 liter.
B plus RV. Very cool. And I've always said this: you could have the biggest rig, but you never have enough storage. We even have a Corolla with us. Jose PhD 27's car right here. Do you know who this is right here? That's Larry from Action Van Suspension. He saw my videos that we're gonna meet up at Flying J, and he decided to show up and hang out with us. So there it is right there. Action Van Suspension, been lifting vans for 20 years. This is Larry's van from Action Van Suspension. He led the way up Power Line Trail. Two lifted vans, one on a Well-Tech lift and one on an Action Van lift. Both have the same size tires. Same size tires. 285 75 16. So perfect. Same size tires, lift kits from both companies. Three of these things are not like the other. I'm at the Honda Element meet right now. A couple of my friends.
Oh yeah.
Proctor Valley meet. Let's go ahead and take a look at everyone's rigs. It's Javi Wasabi's rig. Raptor grill. Well-Tech bumper, Well-Tech lift. That's Ryan's rig, another Well-Tech lift. Right there. Arthur's van, Ford Parts 1 spacer. Don's Jeep, There's been Corollas at this meet. We gotta have a non-van at the meet. And Dylan's van, he wants a lift kit. That's what I like to hear.
You guys got the same motor? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Oh, the back? Yeah.
Raptor grills on the older and newer body style. Yo, Javier, isn't it true that a lot of us cheap out on freaking lighting? Not this guy. I got the LED bulbs. They don't work that well. I gotta roll off-road lights when I'm in the middle of nowhere. This is the inside of Javi Wasabi's van. His bed is taking up most of the van. Looks like a comfortable bed though. He told me he does sleep well in here.
Yeah, we want to see how your van is off.
There you go. Here's Arthur's van. Simple inside. He said he uses an air mattress back here.
And they're nice and double.
Arthur's running the Vantage optic lights.
They're worth it. Oh, definitely.
You heard him in the back. He said they're worth it. My buddy isn't in a Jeep crew yet, so I adopted him. He's a member of my lifted van crew.